Hello, my name is Mikhail Brinchuk and I'm here to show you some new functionality that is currently being developed in Microsoft students' laboratory of the Moscow State University in Russia. This functionality is improved isolines or contour lines and color maps. The sample I will be working with is Itopo height map sample. It is contained in the latest version of source code at our site DynamicDataDisplay.codeplex.com, and it has a requirement. It should contain file called itopo2dos.bin sized 111 megabytes in its debug directory, from which it is being run. This file is produced by NASA, if I'm not mistaken, and can be downloaded from here. And here is it. This file should be placed in the working directory of our sample. This sample contains 3 windows. They can be switched in app.xaml file. Window 1 is a sample with color map. Let's run it. There is much time for this sample to load, but it's worth it. As we can see, our processors are being highly loaded by rendering. Here where we can see a map and a color map. This color map is being rendered into bitmaps, and then these bitmaps are sent to the map, to the simple dynamic data displays map, which stores these tiles into a directory, special directory in the disk, and it contains it also in memory cache, and so we can navigate this application, and new tiles will be computed by the time they are needed. Well, as you see, it works, and it works not very quickly, but it works. But of course, the code of this sample is not a production code, and it is not a code we're recommending to our users to use. This is simply a sample, and a real color map is being developed now. How does this sample work? We have Itopo height map graph. Its parent, its ancestor is bitmap based graph located in Dynamic Data Display DLL. It is ancestor of viewport element 2D, so it can be placed into the plotter, and it simply has a thread that performs rendering tasks, and these tasks comes from rendering map, which wraps height map, and enables it to cache its results and to store them and to reread them again from disk. Also, there is another window called itopo threaded isoline window. Let's run it too. What do we have here? Again, high processor load. It is strange because when I have run this sample earlier, it loaded much faster. Here we are, the map and color and isolines. As you can see, the lines are also being rendered by the necessity when it is necessary, and layers of isolines that are not necessary more are being deleted. This isoline also uses the same data source file with heights of Earth's surface and depth of our seas and oceans. That's all. Thank you for listening and goodbye.